What's going on, Corvette land? A quick update on something I've been working on. It's been really a, the bane of this whole reconstruction, and that's this front air dam. When I took the car apart, the front air dam was literally in 8 pieces. Different cracks, different bad repairs. We've gone through, and I've gone through and fixed all those, and I think we've got it pretty darn close to where we want it to be. But that's what it looks like from just a glance. But let me take you through some of the things we've done. Here, I'm laying down on the ground here. Okay. First of all these transitions from here to here were all busted, all cracked. The seam is right here, so that's where the transition from the panel to the fender go is right there, and that you can see the different color right there. But that was cracked, so we've repaired that. These get this thickness here was non-existent. It was to about here, and then all the way down here was just the thin wall of this panel sticking straight down. All this is broken off. So we've rebuilt this whole entire lip all the way around, all the way over to there, and that's all through fiberglass resin, long strand filler, and matting. We've put several areas of matting in here, rebuilt the back. There's a couple of pieces that are a little unsightly, but I still have to sand those down a little bit to get them ready for coating. This will all be coated, but this has been a job right here, and many people have said, well, why don't you just cut it off and redo it and just buy a new panel? That kind of defeats the purpose. I had to do that with the back because that panel was gone. This panel existed, so I wanted to try to keep some of those original parts, and I think we got this to the point where it's gonna come out pretty smooth. So once we get there, there was a big chunk here on a bad patch that was made. This is now completely one true level here. It's no longer an indentation that's straight across. You can almost see it here. So got pretty close, but yeah, the rest of it's pretty good too. All these up here, I had to fill in a couple of holes, broken out pieces, just to try to smooth that out. All this is going to be under trim anyway, won't really see it. This part's pretty important, so I still got a little bit of smoothing to do right there. There's a couple of gouges and stuff that need to address, but they might come out in high build anyway. But yeah, that's the next step. We're gonna epoxy this thing. It's all ready up here. We'll epoxy it and put some high build on it. There it is. And so another step. Heading into retirement, and be spending a lot more time out here and a lot more time talking to you all and giving you updates on what we got going. So yeah, hopefully I got a stand coming for video, and messing with some GoPro stuff to see if that will kind of make things better as far as the video quality goes. But yeah, we'll see how it all works out. All right. So I'll give you an update here real soon, after I get the epoxy in and high build going. All right, peace out.